Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix the redirect issue in Google Chrome. To fix this issue, what you need to do is open up your Chrome, go to these three dots and go to settings from this. In the settings page you have to click on advanced, so it is available on the left side of your screen. You can just click on there, and in the advanced there is this option called reset and cleanup. So let's just click on that. In reset and cleanup you will get this first option, that is to restore the settings to the original defaults. So you can just click on that, and then what you will see is this option to reset the settings. And what will this action do? It will just reset all the Chrome settings and the shortcuts, disable all the extensions and delete the cookies and other temporary site data. So you can just click on reset settings and the redirect issue in Google Chrome will be fixed. So that's how you fix this issue, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.